This is ROMA, Voot Clean smart robotic scrubber designed for large spaces that demand consistent cleaning. With intelligent navigation and automated performance, it cleans with accuracy and ease. With automation at its core, it minimizes manual effort and brings consistency into every cleaning cycle. Designed for large spaces, from malls and airports to factories and high footfall areas, it delivers precise, uniform results, ensuring nothing is overlooked. ROMA is equipped with dynamic obstacle avoidance and intelligent people detection for smooth, safe navigation. When it detects human presence, the robot immediately pauses to ensure safety. It then intelligently recalculates its path and reroutes itself, continuing the cleaning process without causing any disruption. It intelligently maintains a customized safety distance from every obstacle in its path. This ensures smooth, controlled navigation while avoiding unnecessary interruptions during cleaning. We are proud to be happily serving Terabite with cleaning solutions built for consistency and care.